We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Unlike the conventional microwave ovens, convection microwaves can roast, toast, brown, bake, defrost, cook, broil, crisp and steam your food. With convection microwave, you will be roasting a duck or baking a brownie in no time.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.